This is a Chinese factory. Please take 2 minutes to let me show you the charm made in China. We use more professional machinery for high efficiency production. Here, the lower land and labor costs enable products to be both high quality and affordable. Our factory has a plant area of 20,000 square meters and more than 200 employees. Next, let me show you our main products. We mainly produce stainless steel chafing dishes, thermal soup pots, food warming lamps, rectangular pans, food tongs and small plates, juice dispensers, salad bowls. These products are mainly suitable for hotel and restaurant buffets. We will supply you with the high-quality products from China. If you are running a hotel or restaurant, or if you are a hotel buffet tableware supplier or trader, we hope this video will mark the beginning of our cooperation. We are Guangdong Dou Kitchenware Company, located in Guangdong Province, China. We warmly welcome your visit at any time.